price because there are some interesting things that are going on in the chart. I'll basically tell you my game plan until when I'll be long. I was short the whole night. Until when I'll be long. When will I turn short again, and everything you need to know, as well as some interesting stuff. Binance regulations, interesting how they are playing with the United States, trying to play their game of somewhat regulation, but not really. If you appreciate that, slap the like button, grab $30,000 in bonuses from Bybit, the link in the description down below, and let's start. So the first thing I want to show you was a few ideas I had from the chart. The first one being this whole situation, the dump we have experienced in the last 2 days, basically slash Thursday to Friday morning Asia session, was very much anticipated. Right? This is something that we have been waiting for. I played it on the short side, and there were a few issues right here that I want you to take a look at, and me to take a look at as well, so you can actually expand on our thesis and in general become better traders. First things first, right here you can see the VWAP was curving up. So from here, basically from this candle right here to this candle right here, you should have been long on the daily chart. But what happens on the lower time frames that can help us analyze a better position? Basically, you'd still be long here, but somewhere around here on the 12-hour chart, you can see the view of the yellow line right here curving downwards. On the 10-hour, you can see it curving even a little bit more, and right here you should be on a short position. Right here you can have some kind of a fake out, but in general you should be very, very careful. On the 8-hour chart right here, we still had a very basic, very obvious short position right here, long position right here that you should acknowledge. So if you go on the different time frames at this particular time, when we go to the 4-hour chart, you could see we are in a clear short. On the 6-hour, I mean, on the 8-hour, clear short, so 2 out of 5. The 10-hour, clear short, actually not that clear. We have a short, and here it could have been a long, so we have basically 2 to 1. 12-hour chart, it was a short the whole time, so 3 to 1. And the daily, the last time frame, basically from here, that's difficult. But I would say it was a short because it just bumped above the EMAs. So that's a very, very hard decision to make. It definitely wasn't long. So in general, if you analyze 5 time frames, higher time frames, and even if we got the daily as a short, we will be 3 to 2. So it's still a good trade. And then the daily, as soon as the daily turns into a short, when it crosses the view up somewhere around here, you can go short and make bank. So basically we have something similar going on right here. When we go to the daily chart right now, we have mixed feelings. It's definitely some, it was an extended move. We had a huge crash. We're seeing some plateau at this rate on the daily chart. On the 12-hour chart, and this is why I was short, right? It was very easy to short here, short here, short here. But right now on the 12-hour chart, on the 10-hour chart, we can see a long position forming, basically. So we have the daily as a long, 12 hours as a long, 10, I would say neutral. The 6 and the 8 are at best neutral. So we definitely have a long situation going right now, and because of that I took the courtesy of taking Dusk and STG as a long position. I had some other long positions that I took overnight, short positions that I took overnight. This was a quick scalp, as you can see here, short here, take profit here, very quick scalps. I had some other really good trades. I don't remember if they were on this account or on another one, but it's been a very eventful few days. I remember shorting H bar, but yeah, probably not here. So Binance partners with law enforcement agency for anti-scam campaign. Oh, I forgot to say. So basically, my game plan for the day for Bitcoin and altcoins, right? Because I'll be trading altcoins based on Bitcoin's price. Right now, it's very mixed. We are below the VWAP and the TWAP on the 1 hour, and yeah, in general, which is not very bullish. I have to agree, it's not very bullish. Having a tight stop loss on your wongs would be smart if the price right here curves down, breaks the 20 EMA, this is the purple line right here, and we start heading downwards, we will have the momentum we need on the longer time frames, like the daily, to have another push down. Even though I think we'll have a liquidity grab, I think we'll pump a little bit, maybe to one of these areas right here, grab some liquidity. And by the way, check out how accurate this price target was. It's pretty insane. We drew it here from this dump. Wow, that's insane. And we respected it. Well, we didn't respect it, we pushed right through it, but yeah, it was very, very accurate. $22,646. It's already down 1% from that, so that's very good as a target. So my game plan, we push down from here, get stopped down on a few trades, or I see the chart, I start shorting. If we push higher, I have very quick scalp, so I'm trying to get very quick profits, like this. I'll be good. If Bitcoin's price goes just to 22,500, I'll probably take profit on most of my longs, because we are in a bearish scenario, but bears should be very, very wary right now. Binance are partners with law firm enforcement against agencies for anti-scam campaign. It's interesting, they're trying to be regulated, not regulated at the same time. Binance has announced a partnership with law enforcement agencies to launch an anti-scam campaign. The crypto exchange platform announced the partnerships in a statement that will see the newly formed cybersecurity efforts expand across the world. The announcement notes the joint efforts started with a pilot run in collaboration with the Hong Kong police force. Specifically, the exchange worked alongside enforcement officers to build a targeted alert and crime prevention message that included helpful tips, examples of the most common scams, and relevant resources and contacts. So here it is. They're trying to play ball to the best of their ability, and I think the people behind the Binance PR team extremely smart. They've proven that time and time again. Tech giant Apple is reportedly delaying the launch of Uniswap Labs crypto wallet application. This was something that we kind of expected, but speaking to CoinDesk, a Uniswap Labs spokesperson said that Apple has yet to provide an explanation for the lack of approval. Basically, they have some concerns and they don't want to be associated with that right now, around basically the end of Q1, right? This is the third month of Q1. Shiba Inu, Shibarium to release imminently, lead dev hints. Shibarium is a driving force for Shiba Inu. If you go to Shiba Inu right now, and by the way, nothing that I say is financial advice, just so you know. I don't want to try for futures. 12-hour bullish daily is, we're basically grabbing liquidity from the when we touch the volume when moving average. The daily is bullish. 10-hour is wow, where's the 10-hour? Probably bullish, but 10-hour is bullish. 6-hour is, I would say, bullish. Basically, that's a bullish move. Can I place a quick trade on Shiba Inu with future, which is the SHIB, and then you gotta add 1,000. I'll probably do that on Bybit as well. Let me check. Yep, I think I will. but I will use the BUSD contract here to have less fees, and I'll see how I will maneuver this trade, but I'll probably have a very quick take profit. It's basically a very bullish trade. As you can see, I have exchanges connected to trading view, so that's cool. So this is how I played this. Shiba Inu move will definitely help. Bybit suspends USD deposit via bank transfers. What crypto customers need to know. Cryptocurrency exchange Bybit on Saturday announced the suspension of USD deposits via bank transfers. It's not the first exchange to do that. That's not worrying me at all. Basically, they're no longer available. But you can make USD deposit via at Vcash wallet. But wire transfer Swift will not. They will still be available for a little bit, but after that, no. Potential disruptions to may occur to prevailing circumstances. The exchange further stated that they will soon be launching the Vcash wallet. Yeah, they basically have the probably regulatory issues. Most used cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu. Yeah, definitely long Shiba. Right here, we are probably feeling a small fair value gap right here, right now, on the chart. And we could see a few gaps filled from here to here would be the, yeah, that's a perfect gap fill. Along here, and you can probably take a really cool scalp to the upside, probably around here on Shiba Inu. It depends which pairs are you using, and probably your stop loss should be somewhere around here. Who knows, maybe a little bit below, but this is the liquidity graph area, so it shouldn't be way below that, because then you would have a change of character, kind of. Yeah, we need this high to break to have a proper scalp on the higher side, but yeah, this would be a very easy scalp. Over 80% odds is what I got on trades like this, actually close to 90%. So this risk to reward, which is 1 to 2.5, is okay for me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Love you guys and girls. See you next one. Bye.